Hi, I'm Michael Kane, and I'm here representing KBMedical. We're Team 837 in this year's Bench to Bedside competition. Our team consists of myself, an MBA and MS student in bioengineering, and Hannah Butcher, MBA MSF student at the University of Utah. So about a year and a half ago, Hannah had been diagnosed with melanoma, which required the removal of a few of her lymph nodes. To drain the fluid that would accumulate otherwise, the surgeon placed surgical drains, and those were left in her for 3 to 4 weeks, and she had three of them pinned to her body for that period of time. So she experienced firsthand the end user pain points, which consist of the pain associated with stripping the drains in order to prevent them from clogging, as well as the embarrassment of carrying around multiple devices and trying to conceal them underneath her shirt. So we looked into this more and found that there's about a 15% complication rate with these sort of drains. And when the patient comes back in to treat these issues, the hospital does not get reimbursed for these additional costs. So our solution is a long-term surgical drain, which features hydrophobic tubing created out of FDA-approved materials. It creates constant negative pressure through a battery-powered micropump, and we engineered it to be ergonomic and more concealable so that it better conforms to the patient's body. Our regulatory pathway consists of filing a 510(k) with FDA. We currently have a patent pending on the device, and we have been working with contract manufacturers in the area in order to secure our cost of manufacturing, and we're estimating that to be around $7 to $10, and our sales price is around $30 in order to be competitive with the existing devices. So the value proposition for this device is that it will reduce complications, infections, and the associated costs, as well as improve the quality of care, patient outcomes, and hospital profitability. The surgical drain market is around $1.8 billion annually for the entire world, and it is growing at around 3.7% annually. Our target market is the 1,500 cancer hospitals in the United States. We position the device to be used in long-term placement situations and using it in situations which have high infection rates. Our estimated market size for this sort of surgery and procedure is around $17.5 million, and we estimate our market capture to be about 3 to 6% based on other companies in the space, and that would give us around $500,000 to $1 million in revenue annually. Our competition consists of the Jackson Pratt drain, which is the gold standard for surgical drainage, the Hemovac drain, which is a second runner-up, very similar design, and then ultimately the ProWound M is the closest marketed competitor. It features similar design elements, but has a $1,000 price tag and is not disposable. Ultimately, our exit strategy would be an acquisition by one of our larger competitors. And in order to achieve this, we've outlined some acquisition milestones, which include refining our design, securing more robust intellectual property, filing a 510(k) with the FDA, and then ultimately validation testing. Thank you.